Thanks for tuning in to another episode about archaeology and restoration projects at Somerset Place. Today, we're focusing on the efforts to locate and restore the gravesite of Sarah Howser, the Collins family's first governess. When she passed away in 1838, the Collinses erected a marble tombstone over her grave in the northeast corner of the east lawn, which was still standing a century later, when State Parks personnel noted its location on a 1939 map. The marker was subsequently removed and placed in storage by 1951. Site manager Dorothy Redford found it in the smokehouse in 1990, but by that time soil and grass covered the unmarked gravesite and its exact location was lost. Redford's goal was to reinstall Sarah's tombstone, which became a reality in 2008 when the Somerset Place Foundation, Inc. agreed to cover any cost. They employed Clifton and Clifton Monuments in Elizabeth City to repair the stone. The next and most difficult step was to positively locate the gravesite. Redford reached out to Dr. Charles Ewan, director of the Department of Archaeology at East Carolina University, for help. He assigned one of his students, Thomas Amato, to research Sarah Howser and the location of her grave. With no visible evidence, the 1939 State Parks map provided the only clue. Amato used the map and computer software to conduct surveys of the northeast corner of the east lawn, ultimately narrowing the search to a 20-foot by 20-foot target area. Subsequently, Dr. Ewan and 12 students from his historical archaeology class conducted, quote, a limited excavation of the area in October 2007. Amato wrote that, quote, the goal of the excavation was to attempt to locate the grave of Sarah Howser with the use of ground-penetrating radar, as well as with mechanical and manual means. However, no actual excavation of the grave, if found, was to be conducted. Students established two 60-foot by 60-foot archaeological grids and conducted a GPR survey, finding 24 total anomalies, which may indicate the presence of additional graves. The team then used a front-end loader to remove the top layers of the soil, revealing brick debris. Manual excavations came next. They uncovered a broken marble tombstone, part of a, quote, unexpected and unknown burial. Nearby, they also found a brick crypt and a marble tombstone base, which matched that of Sarah Howser's, confirming that the crypt is her grave. It was a remarkable find. As Dr. Ewan stated, quote, this almost never happens in archaeology. Sarah's tombstone was restored and reinstalled in early 2008. Because she was baptized in the Episcopal Church shortly before her death, her gravesite was rededicated in an Episcopal service led by David Umfleet on March 7. After 70 years of neglect, Sarah was given a proper burial place. To learn more about life for enslaved and free people at Somerset, come visit our site. We're open Tuesday through Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.